So hello and welcome in this video on system of linear equations for class 10th. And in our previous videos we have discussed about the existence of solutions. So existence of solutions and the methods, in fact two methods. One is substitution method and the second one is elimination method. So these are the methods by which we can find out the solutions of a system of linear equations. So today we begin with the third method, which is the cross multiplication method. Okay, so we are having this cross multiplication method. Okay, so this is cross multiplication method. So we begin with the method itself. सबसे पहले हम देखेंगे कि हमारा मेथड किस तरीके से काम करता है और उसके बाद हम इस पर कुछ एग्जांपल्स लेंगे. सो लेट अस फर्स्ट टेक द सिस्टम. सो जनरली जो हमारा सिस्टम है वो हम इस फॉर्म का लेते हैं a1x प्लस b1y प्लस c1 इज इक्वल्स टू 0 एंड a2x प्लस b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. So now what you have to do next, you have to write this equation. So first we will write x upon, here we will write the coefficients of in fact the remaining coefficients involved in the equations, means we are leaving the coefficients of x. a1 a2 को हम नहीं लेंगे, हम यहाँ पर लेंगे b1 b2 and next we are having the constants. So this is c1 c2 is equals to y upon, now what we will do, we will consider here c1 c2 and here we are having a1 a2. what we are doing here, यहाँ पर हमने y के coefficients b1 b2 को consider नहीं किया है. एंड लास्टली वी विल हैव 1 अपॉन, अब यहाँ पर हम कांस्टेंट कोफिशिएंट्स यानी c1 c2 को कंसीडर नहीं करेंगे. दिस विल बी a1 a2 एंड b1 b2. और इसको याद करने के लिए सबसे अच्छा तरीका है कि आप एक सर्किल बनाकर यहाँ पर आप a लिख लीजिए, नेक्स्ट यू विल राइट b एंड नेक्स्ट वी आर हैविंग c. So when you are writing the first term, so यहाँ पर आपको पहले b लिखना है followed by c. So first we are having b1 b2 c1 c2. Now जब आप y पर आते हैं, so you have to leave this b means b1 and b2 और आपको पहले c लिखना है यानी c1 and c2 और next we are having a1 a2. So we are just considering the clockwise values. Okay, and last we are having 1. so हम 1 हमें c means the constant term के corresponding हम ले रहे हैं, तो हम यहाँ पर पहले a वाले coefficients लिखेंगे और फिर b वाले coefficients. So in this way we are obtaining this solutions. Now what we have to do, we have to consider the multiplication. So multiplication के लिए हम लोग यहाँ से इस डायरेक्शन में हम लोग multiplication करते हैं. So means b1 multiplied by c2 minus b2 multiplied by c1. बीच में जो साइन रहेगा वो हमारा माइनस का साइन रहेगा. सेम यहाँ पर आप c1 को a2 से मल्टीप्लाई करिए और c2 को a1 से, अगेन c1 a2 माइनस c2 a1 एंड सेम यहाँ पर भी आप लोग a1 b2 करो और माइनस a2 b1. So keeping this in mind, we will have this expression as x upon, we are having b1 c2 minus B2 C1 is equals to y अपॉन, सो अगेन यहाँ पर जो आएगा वो आएगा C1 A2 माइनस A1 C2, और लास्ट में हमारे पास आएगा A1 B2 माइनस A2 B1. Now when you are equating the first and the last term, means जब आप इन दोनों को इक्वेट करते हैं, so you will obtain the value of x as b1 c2 minus b2 c1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Similarly, when you are equating the second and the third term, so you will obtain y is equals to c1 a2 minus a1 c2 upon a1 over a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So in this way you can easily find out the solution. So we are having the values of x and values of y. So this is how we can apply this cross multiplication method. Now the important thing is you must write this circle, just write ABC and move clockwise. And so starting from A, so this corresponds to x, this corresponds to y, and this corresponds to the constant term. Okay, so this is our constant term. So when you are considering the x, you will have to leave A, means A1 and A2. आप B1 B2 पहले लिखोगे और उसके बाद आप क्लॉकवाइज मूव करते हो तो C आता है तो C1 C2 लिखेंगे. फिर जब आप y पर आ जाते हो तो यू मस्ट लीव b, आप उसके बाद C1 C2 आता है और उसके बाद A1 A2. और इसी तरीके से जब आप कांस्टेंट टर्म पर आते हो तो फिर पहले A1 A2 उसके बाद B1 B2. सो दिस इज हाउ वी कैन अप्लाई दिस मेथड. सो जल्दी से हम लोग कुछ एग्जांपल्स देख लेते हैं. सो एग्जांपल्स किस तरीके से हम लोग सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. सो पहला हमारा जो एग्जाम्पल है वो है 2x प्लस 5y माइनस 12 इज इक्वल्स टू 0 एंड वी आर हैविंग 3x प्लस 7y माइनस 17 इज इक्वल्स टू 0. तो अगर आप यहाँ पर देखते हैं तो a1 आपका आता है 2, b1 आता है आपका 5 और c1 आता है आपका -12. Okay, so this is a1, this is b1, and last one we are having c1. Now similarly we are having a2 as 3, b2 as 7 and c2 as -17. So now we will write this form of equation. So we will consider x. अब x हमारा a के corresponding means a1 a2 के, so we are leaving these a1 a2 और हम लिखेंगे b1 b2 which is 5 and 7, then c1 c2 which is -12 -17. Then next we are having y. अब यहाँ पर हम पहले जैसे y पर आते हैं तो पहले हम c वाले टर्म्स लिखेंगे यानी कांस्टेंट वाले टर्म्स लिखेंगे. so वो है हमारे -12 -17 और उसके बाद हम लोग c के बाद a1 a2 वाले टर्म्स लिखेंगे यानी कि 2 and 3. then we are having 1 over, so 2 and 3, and next we are having b1 b2 which are 5 and 7. now we have to perform the cross multiplication. इस ऑर्डर में हम लोग मल्टीप्लीकेशन करेंगे. so this will be x upon 5 into -17 minus Now what we are having? We are having 7 into minus 12. Next we are having y over, so this is minus 12 multiplied by 3 minus 2 into minus 17 is equals to 1 over 2 into 7 minus 3 into 5. So this will be x over, so this is 17 into 5 is 85, because 17 is with negative sign, so we are having minus 85. Now this is already we are having minus, so this minus and minus will become plus, and we are having 84. Next we are having y, and this is minus 36, and we are having plus 34. And on the right hand side we are having 14 minus 15. So again you left with only x over minus 1 is equals to y over minus 2 is equals to 1 over minus 1. Now when you are equating the first and the third term, so from here you will obtain x upon minus 1 is equals to 1 over minus 1. So this is x is equals to minus 1 over minus 1 means 1. And now if you are equating the second and third term, this second and third term, so you are having y over minus 2 is equals to 1 over minus 1, which gives you y is equals to 2. So this is how we can obtain our solution with the cross multiplication method. Now let us consider one more example here. So we are having our next example, which is example number 2. So here we are again, so we have to solve a system which is 2x plus 5y is equals to 3, and we are having 7x minus 2y is equals to 4. So from here we convert it into the standard form, means we have to make the right hand side as 0. So for this we have to transfer this 3 in equation 1 towards the left hand side. So we are having 2x plus 5y minus 3 is equals to 0, और यहाँ पर नेक्स्ट इक्वेशन में आपको मिलेगा 7x minus 2y minus 4 is equals to 0. So again from this system we are having a1 is equals to 2, b1 is equals to 5, and c1 as minus 3, and similarly we will get a2 is equals to 7, b2 is equals to minus 2, and c2 is equals to minus 4. Now next we will write the equation which is x upon, now we are leaving the coefficients of x, means a1 a2, so we are having 5 minus 2, and here we are having minus 3 minus 4, और नेक्स्ट हमें मिलेगा y, अब हमें y के कोफिशिएंट्स मींस b1 b2 को लीव करेंगे, बट पहले हम लोग c1 c2 को लिखेंगे, सो विच इज minus 3 minus 4, and we are having 2 and 7, and lastly we are having 1 over 2 and 7, and here we are having 5 minus 2. So यहाँ से आपको मिलेगा when you perform the cross multiplication, so this is 5 into minus 4, so which is minus 20. Now minus, now the product of minus 3 and minus 2 is plus, so we are already having a minus here, so this will be minus 6, and here we are having minus 3 into minus 7, which is minus 21, Now we are having minus 1 minus already, and this minus 4 into 2 is minus 8, so we are having plus 8. And on the last term we are having 2 into minus 2, which is minus 4, minus 7 into 5, so which is 35. So this gives us x over minus 26 is equals to y over minus 13 is equals to 1 over minus 39. And this again, if you equate first and last term, so x will be or you can say x upon minus 26 is equals to 1 over minus 39. So this gives you x is equals to minus 26 over minus 39. So this is coming out 2 by 3. You can cancel both the terms by 13. And when you equate the second and the last term, so this is y over minus 13 is equals to 1 over minus 39, and this gives you y is equals to 13 upon 39, so which is 1 by 3. So the solution of this system is x is equals to 2 by 3 and y is equals to 1 by 3. So this is how we can obtain the solution of a system of linear equation using क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड. सो स्टूडेंट्स, अभी तक हमने क्या किया है, हमने मेथड्स सीखे हैं. वी लर्न अबाउट द मेथड्स which we can use to solve a system of linear equations. Now in the next video हम लोग कुछ बहुत important problems करेंगे जो कि हमारे बोर्ड एग्जाम्स के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. तो नेक्स्ट वीडियो, इनफैक्ट ये पूरी सीरीज आप ज़रूर देखिएगा, और आई बिलीव दैट इट सर्टेनली हेल्प्स यू इन योर कमिंग बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन. ओके, तो आज की वीडियो में इतना ही.